Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. This is Miriam and you are watching Mariejumkitchen. And in today's class I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this delicious beans and corn porridge. Trust me guys, this is the most delicious beans you've never tasted before. Trust me. And if this is your first time to my channel, I'm saying welcome, and please click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so each time I upload a new video, which I do every day by God's grace, you will get notified instantly. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and get notified to always know anytime we upload a new video.